Hi everyone, this is CD again from Fifi Restaurant Equipment. We have a Vulcan double fryer here that we want to change the casters because when we got this fryer, we found out that somebody put this unfit, if you want, caster. This is not made for a fryer like this because it has to be like this. But unfortunately, we have to replace all of them. So we ordered a set of four. These are original casters from Vulcan. They are a little expensive, but it's worth it for a piece of equipment, a very nice piece of equipment like this. So we will proceed, and you will need a pipe wrench like this. You have to adjust it, to fit here. In some casters, they have this bolt here that you can use a wrench, open wrench like this, and it's very possible. But usually I like to use the pipe wrench like this. It's fast and easy. But you have to be careful because there's some Allen bolts here that have the Allen head. So you have to be careful not to damage them if you really want to reuse these casters. But in our case, we will discard them for now, and we have to. Let me adjust it a little bit more. It's a very easy job. Anyone can do this. You can also replace the legs. Sometimes the fryers comes with legs, and you can use the same method to replace them. In the front, usually the casters, they have brakes in them because and in the back they don't have them. Mostly they don't, because usually the operators or the owners they cannot get access to the brakes in the back, so only the front is enough. That's how you do it. Very easy. We haven't cleaned this, we just want to show you how to do it. You do it with your hands, and it's the right fit because it's made by the same manufacturer, and it's a really tight fit. These are adjustable, but it doesn't hurt, to snag it a little bit and to tighten it with wrench, but not tight, because you don't want to break the thread here because it's welded, and that's the same problem. That's the same problem that happened here. That's why somebody, of course, that used to own this piece of equipment, that's why they put this caster like this, but it really doesn't fit, because if you can come here, it's not clear here. You see, it's maybe 2 inches here. That will take, especially these pieces of equipment have to be under the hood, so it's another 2 inches that will take of space, useless space under the hood. That is not good. And the same problem here, because this fryer, it has a built-in filtration system with the drawer. It has a pan drawer like this that goes in here. So really, to me, it doesn't look like the filter pan is going freely out and in. If you can see here, this is shiny. That means the filter pan used to touch this, maybe. You used to contact this, so really this has to come out. So for that reason, we we have to take this bolt out. Like this. This is not really a good fit for a piece of equipment like this, because it's not good. If something is wrong, it has to be fixed before it creates more problems, you know. It's better to spend a little more money and buy a caster that will fit. It's better than to spend a lot of money buying the this is not really the right fit to buy a filter pan that will cost you hundreds of dollars. We don't have to worry about this now. So, but the problem is we have the rods is broken in the thread. So we will try. I have a flat screwdriver and a little hammer. Sometimes I have to spray some lubricant stuff like WD-40. I usually use it for stuff like this, and we will try to get a hold of this head, you know, to make a little groove in it. I know it won't come off easily, but we will try. I know there's a lot of things you can do. You can use the kit to drill here, then you free the piece of the rod. Okay, it's turning really good. Just nicely. It's a little hard. I will try to see if I can hold it. Yeah. If you can see, it's coming out, but not with the finger or fingers, but it's coming out. It's a little tight and hard. There is it. You can see where it's. So now it will be very easy to. This is the new caster with the thread locker, permanent because it's reed. So just to clean here a little bit, just to show you, but always you have to be careful to start it with your hands. Then you finish it with your hand. This one is a little tight. Now I have to use the wrench. As I said, some of them they have bolts. You see these ones, they don't have the bolts here, so it's always good to have the pipe wrench like this and finish tightening it. Sometimes if you don't want to really scratch them and to look very nice forever, you know, you put a piece of tissue like this or a rag and you just do like this and you finish it. And that's it. Looks nice. We will do the same for this one and the other one after we clean everything. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you get something out of this video. Thank you for watching again, and please like our videos and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we will be happy to answer them as soon as we can. Thank you. Stay greasy.